the BoxyCharm Boxyluxe for the month of December. I was sent this box for a review purpose, and this is basically an unboxing, and I will be adding one of the items for try on. There wasn't like a lot of makeup related items, so that's why I don't have that much to actually try on, but I will have my BoxyCharm link. I do have an affiliate link, and like I said, this is sent for review purpose. Okay, first thing in here is that it's called Winter Luxe, and this version is 404. First thing in here is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade and Brush 7B, which is an angled brush set. I will be showing the demo around here so you guys can actually see how I did my brows today using the pomade. This is $39, and I will show you guys the brush is a nice spoolie at the end. I really like this spoolie. I know spoolies aren't like anything super marvelous, but I just like the fact that it's more tapered. It's almost like a Christmas tree kind of shape, and most of them are just like fully round. So I really like the shape, and then it is an angled brush on the end. The shade that I got was a dark brown, and I really enjoy more of a lighter shade than my eyebrows because of the fact that if I use black, it just makes my eyebrows look way too harsh. I just want to add a little oomph to them, not overly like exaggerate them. And their pomades and brow items are amazing. Anastasia Beverly Hills, like literally that's what they're founded on, were brow products, and her stuff is amazing. So highly recommend. Blends like a dream. It just it did the thing, and I really love how subdued and beautiful it looks. It just blends really nicely. Next thing in here is the Devanas Oil All-in-One Milk. This is a leave-in spray treatment to soften, detangle, control frizz, and protect your hair from heat. This is $36, and this is what it looks like right here. It's just a black bottle. Let me go ahead and smell it, and it has a nice smell to it. It has a really clean scent to it, and I will definitely check this out and see if I enjoy it. I had never heard of that brand, so I don't know much, but it's a new brand to Boxy. Next thing in here is the Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intense Face Cream. This is, whoa, this is $116. Holy moly. I've never heard of this brand, Kat Berkey. It says it's powered by nutritional science, and it has 15% C, a stable form of vitamin C. I will check this out because I love vitamin C. Vitamin C really helps with brightening your skin, and the packaging is very like luxe looking. It kind of reminds me of La Mer. I've never purchased La Mer, but it reminds me of what I see in the store of La Mer. And very thick cream. Really nice scent to it, really clean, nice scent as well. We'll check this out and see. I usually am used to like serums for vitamin C, and yeah, so we'll see how this goes. It is pretty up there with the price. Next thing in here is the Aceology Detoxifying Treatment Mask. This is $69. It's a supercharged health retreat for congested skin. It's supposed to draw out blackheads and impurities. It's a charcoal one, and it's $69. So it is a peel off mask, which makes me happy. I love peel off masks, even though, to be honest, I totally suck at taking them off. If you guys have any suggestions, let me know. I don't know if I do too thin of a layer and then it's hard to like get the whole thing off, or should I do a thicker one? But I will definitely try this and show you guys on my Instagram stories. And if you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me down below. But it's supposed to detoxify, purify, and regenerate. Next thing in here is the LaRousse Beauty Christine set. This is $50. It's a dual fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, and a small concealer brush, a small flat shader brush, and a medium dome blending brush in a graphite petite Rennie cup. So this is what it looks like. This is pretty. This is actually like really pretty. And oh god, oh Okay, you don't twist it, you just pull straight up. The handles are very beautiful. I feel like we've gotten this brand previously, and the brand is actually really, really nice. Yeah, we've actually gotten this brand previously in BoxyCharm. So this is the angled one. It has a nice crease one, a flat one, more of a flat like blending kind of brush, and a stippling brush. So I will be keeping these. These are really nice, and you know, like you have the little cup all in one. And then if you were to travel with it, you could just like cover it up and take it with you. And these are $50. Next thing in here is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum. This is $40. I've talked about Pharmacy previously. I actually really enjoy their skincare products, so I'm always happy when BoxyCharm has them in their box. It has a really strong honey smell, which is very similar to one of their like face oils. Yeah, that is strong. Like I would be scared to wear this outside, like bees come up to me or something. Okay, so it kind of subdues after, like it tones down a little bit after you blend it out, but still it's like pretty strong. Yeah, it's pretty strong. I think I would use this more at night and just use it more in those areas where you want rough skin to be softened. It says that it has 10% lactic acid, 2% BHA, so it gives you like more smoother, glowing skin. So you do want to be careful with this. It says avoid after shaving, and you can feel like a tingling experience. So yeah, so it is pretty strong acids in here, and you want to be careful where you apply this. So I think that this would be really good, like elbows, your knees, any kind of textured skin or dry skin that you have, this would be good for it. So this isn't like a body lotion to put all over. It's a body serum specifically for certain, you know, rougher areas that you have. Next thing in here is the Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology. This is $22. And I've never heard of this, but I'm not gonna open it just because I do have way too many mascaras open right now. And when I say way too many, I mean like I have a whole drawer full, which is insane. But this is $22, so I would definitely have to see if it's worth it or not. And then the last thing in here is the Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. This is $14. I'm not sure why it's in this little like tear open packaging. And this is in the shade Black, and it's just a pencil. I think yeah, you can sharpen it, and it says 24-hour waterproof. I'm always searching for like that perfect liner that's gonna stay all day in the waterline. No matter what brand I've used, it's really rare for me to find something that will stay in there, so I'm always on the hunt. And that is it for this month's box. Let me know what your thoughts are. I will put the total value around here. This is the Luxe box. I feel like in this box there's like a mixture of brands that I really recognize, like Anastasia, Pure, Pharmacy, also what is this called, Persona. But then there's also brands that are kind of new to me, especially this Aceology and Kat Berkey, which I don't really know much about. So I kind of feel like it's you know, like a good mixture of new and popular brands all mixed together. Let me know what your thoughts are as far as this box goes. There's very few makeup products in here. I feel like this box was more skincare oriented compared to other boxes, which usually have more makeup products that I can do try-ons, like palettes or face products like blushes and stuff like that. So let me know what your thoughts are down below. And I think that starting this month that the prices are increasing for all the boxes, so that's another thing, you know, just to keep in mind, you know, if you want to subscribe, because I know that the prices are going up, and they promise that the Boxy pop-ups and a lot of these new boxes are going to have like a lot of great brands in there. So I'm hoping that that will be so. So let me know what your thoughts are down below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Also, you can follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.